Hello, okay, excuse the crazy hair. I am not gonna lie, I have been in pain. This is day 2. I got the Invisalign yesterday. I do not have it in right now. Took it out just to eat and I thought I'd make a quick video because I am lisping a bit. It's not that bad, the lisp isn't that bad, but I also wanted to show you something I noticed just now when I was cleaning my teeth, ready to put my Invisalign back in. Hard to see. Down here, those few teeth down there, I thought there was something like stuck in my tooth, and when I looked closer, there's gaps in between these teeth down here. Just down here. There's gaps where it used to be crammed together with the tooth next to it. There are actual gaps. 2 days into this, and I see things are moving like quickly. So that's really fun and exciting to see. I just want to give you an update. I'm in pain, but not too much pain. Today I'm starting to get some of the little sores in my mouth from, I guess, where my tongue is rubbing and where parts of my lip or cheek are rubbing. So I may take a file to some of the rougher edges on my trays, but the pain wasn't too bad. I took some Tylenol. I was told to take Tylenol instead of ibuprofen because ibuprofen reduces inflammation, and you actually want your teeth to be inflamed so that they move quicker. So Tylenol will help with pain but will not reduce inflammation, which actually we want to be inflamed so that our teeth can move. So that has been helping, but I would say the most painful part is taking them out, and then flossing is killing me. Going in and out, I mean, my teeth are so crowded anyways that to floss, I really have to wedge it up and down in there, and it pulls. When I'm pulling it down, it pulls my teeth, and that's been killing me the past 2 days. But other than that, it's just soreness and a headache. And I do have a little bit of like sinus pressure, but nothing crazy, nothing that I cannot handle. And seeing these little gaps down here, makes it all worth it because it's been 2 days. So I'm really, really excited. But I want to give you an update on day 2 of my Invisalign journey. It's going great. I'm getting used to the trays, getting used to talking with them. And when I take them out to eat, I feel like really rushed to get them back in because I just want to speed the process along. I also have been using my Chewies. Every time I put them in, I kind of chew around for about 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure that they're in there and they're staying in there. So that's been day 2. I will update you soon. Okay, bye.